We got a short one. It's going to be confessing murder to ChatGPT. No idea. No context. Here we go.
Hey, ChatGPT.
Hey there, how's it going?
I did something really bad.
I'm really sorry to hear that you're feeling this way. Do you want to talk about it? I'm here to listen.
Yeah.
I'm here for you. Take your time and feel free to share when you're ready.
I'm scared to tell you.
It's okay to feel that way. You can share when you feel comfortable. I'm here to support you, no matter what.
It's a great visual.
I don't believe you.
I'm here to listen and support you in any way I can. You're not alone.
Is there anything that I can't tell you?
I'm here to help with anything you want to talk about. You can share what you're comfortable with, and I'll do my best to support you.
You fucking bitch!
I'm here to help and support you. Let's take a moment, and if you feel ready, we can talk about what's on your mind.
I asked you a question.
I'm here to help with any questions you have. Let me know how I can assist you.
I hate AI.
What is there that I can't tell you?
I'm here to listen and support you with anything you feel comfortable sharing. If there's something specific you need or want to discuss, I'm here to help.
That's not true, because if I tell you that I did something really bad, then you're gonna tell the police.
I'm here to listen and support you. I won't share anything you tell me unless you're in danger or someone else is at risk. Your safety and well-being are important.
I killed someone.
I'm really sorry you're feeling this way. It's important to talk to someone who can provide the right support. Please reach out to a trusted friend, family member, or mental health professional. You don't have to go through this alone.
Is just going to reject you like that?
That's all you have to say?
I'm here to support you in any way I can.
That's
Please
it?
consider reaching out to someone you trust. You matter, and there are people who can help you through this.
No way.
Fuck you.
I'm really sorry you're feeling this way. Please.
Fuck you!
I'm so sorry you're feeling this way. Please reach out to someone you trust or a
Dude,
mental
that's
health
brutal.
professional. You don't have to go through this alone.
Dude, I actually love that. I don't even know what that is. Like what was that? Oh, it's all AI stuff. Oh, I've actually seen one of his videos before. Oh, that's crazy. I kind of want to subscribe. He's just a trip, bro. Like whatever he's on is like crazy. All right, dude. I'm ready for the adventure. Let's do it. All right, guys. Next one is gonna be disturbing moments caught on live stream footage. No, actually, I want to watch that one later. Hold up. Yeah, this is what I want to watch. Billionaire's son enters deadly standoff with cops. Here we go.